If you have a space with no interior fixtures yet, and you want to be intentional with how it's planned, while also incorporating Feng Shui principles, then this video is for you. Now, we're working on Pearl's space, which has a total of 168.6 square meters that needs a modern Scandinavian style. Thanks to Pearl for availing our paid interior services. This is the 74th design in our 100 Interiors Challenge. She wants a full house redesign. In this series, we'll design the study area, bedrooms, master bedroom, and bathroom. Before we dive in, if you urgently need help designing your home interior, please visit our website, www.designburst24.com. And in the description below, you'll find similar products we use to design this home, perfect if you want to recreate the look in your own space. Pearl wants to incorporate Feng Shui principles into her space and prefers a Morandi color palette. For the study area, she wants to add more storage without making the space feel crowded. She's also thinking about the best spot to place her baby grand piano. In this layout, this space is planned as a study area connected to a hallway and opening up toward a windowed wall. It serves a dual purpose, a study and a music area. It allows for smooth movement between the staircase, hallway, and other parts of the home. Pearl is aiming for a modern Scandinavian style that blends comfort, soft textures, and functionality, ideal for a relaxed yet stylish space. We'll follow her chosen Morandi-inspired neutral palette, focusing on soft beige, natural wood, light coffee tones, and a few darker shades. As for furniture, materials, and decor for study area, here are some pieces that suit this kind of interior design. Now let's begin. First, you can turn your flat ceiling into a cove ceiling with integrated LED strip lighting to create modern glow. For the flat ceiling surface, add pin lights to provide general ambient lighting. Next, paint the walls in off-white for a simple, fresh look. Then consider installing a flat panel accent wall, which gives a smooth and seamless finish. For the flooring, a wood laminate is perfect for a Scandinavian-inspired look. Now for the furniture. You can add a rectangular desk with full panel sides to give a more grounded appearance. Pair it with upholstered chairs that offer both comfort and simple elegance. Then, to keep the space organized, include a full-height cabinet with open shelves. This helps manage clutter and keeps everything within reach. Pearl wants the space arranged this way, with the extra area allocated for her baby grand piano. She also suggested adding a thick rug underneath, so a round area rug is a great choice. Once the essential furniture is in place, you can add style elements such as abstract wall art, a tall potted indoor plant, and decor pieces to bring life and character to the area. And since there's a window here, use a sheer curtain to maintain openness and allow natural light in. Creativity flows where energy is balanced, and this study and music space perfectly demonstrates how Feng Shui can enhance both focus and inspiration. With open circulation and a well-balanced layout, the flow of qi remains smooth and uninterrupted. The decor enhances the space without overwhelming it. Touches of greenery and indoor plants infuse life and vitality, while warm wood tones and soft textures offer grounding energy and emotional balance. So, this thoughtfully styled space proves beauty and balance can truly go hand in hand. Before we move on, we'd like to thank our YouTube members for their continuous support. It keeps us inspired to create and design. In this layout, this is the first bedroom to be redesigned. It has one main entry point and windows that bring in natural light. The space is thoughtfully divided for both comfort and function. The sleeping area is centered on the main wall, while the study and storage zones are positioned on either side. There's clear circulation around the bed, helping the room feel open and easy to move through. This is a type of modern Scandinavian bedroom, designed to feel clean, calm, and well-arranged. And here are the furniture pieces, materials, and decor options you can use to style your space. Let's start designing the interior of this bedroom. First, keep the flat ceiling and install pin lights for balanced general lighting. The walls will remain off-white, and same wood laminate flooring to maintain consistency with the rest of the home. Now, to style the space, on the left wall, add a flat paneled accent wall, while on the other side, install vertical wood slat panels paired with an integrated marble look panel for added detail. Next, you can add the most important furniture, the bed. This upholstered platform bed with a built-in headboard and low-profile base is the perfect choice. It's ideal for a modern bedroom look. Complete the bed setup with pillows for added comfort. On the right side of the bed, place a nightstand with 2-drawer design for storage. Then, place a low-profile rug under the bed to help define the sleeping zone. Moving to the area near the window, this is where we'll create the study corner as Pearl requested. Mount a floating console table directly on the accent wall and pair it with a modern upholstered chair, perfect for studying in a bedroom setting. For added display option without clutter, you can install wall-mounted corner floating shelves. Next, don't forget to add a cabinet. This built-in cabinet with open shelving is the best option for added storage and display options. Now, what else can we add? Styling pieces. You can hang a framed abstract wall art and place a few decorative items on the floating table, nightstand, and on shelves for a finished look. For privacy, install rod pocket sheer curtains over the windows. To wrap up the design, include lighting fixtures. You can add LED strip lighting along the accent wall and on the shelving to give depth and a modern glow. Then a wall-mounted art light, something with clean lines and soft curves. And finally, place a mushroom table lamp and a modern adjustable desk lamp. So now, by Feng Shui principles, this bedroom design creates a space that feels restful, grounded, and energetically aligned. The bed is positioned along the main wall in the command position, offering a clear view of the door, a key Feng Shui principle that enhances both security and peace of mind. Also, clear circulation paths ensure the smooth flow of energy, while floating furniture elements help maintain a sense of openness and lightness in the room. A harmonious blend of soft textures and warm lighting create a nice mix of calm and comfort, making the bedroom feel cozy, neat, and good for rest. Now, let's talk about the second bedroom, which features a rectangular layout. The space is divided into 2 zones, the sleeping area, which serves as the central focal point, and a workspace located near the window wall. To start, the ceiling, walls, and flooring follow the same finishes as the first bedroom. However, this room has a low-pile full-area carpet, as requested by Pearl, which helps keep the room warm and cozy. For the walls, a flat-paneled accent wall with vertical LED lights is placed on the right side, while the opposite wall features a 2-tone modern accent design, combining dark wood veneer with matte beige paneling and metallic linear decorative trim for a sleek, stylish contrast. Now for the bed, place an upholstered platform bed with a high wingback headboard. Then add pillows and blankets to complete the sleeping setup and provide comfort and support. On one side of the room, you can install a built-in cabinet with fluted glass doors, perfect for storing essentials while adding a modern look. Now for the workspace. Use a wall-mounted floating desk paired with a modern upholstered accent chair, perfect for saving floor space while offering a comfortable spot. In the opposite corner, a built-in corner shelves is a perfect piece for extra storage and display. You can style the shelves and desk with decorative items, then add a framed abstract painting and indoor plants to liven up the space. For the windows, a layered curtain setup is ideal, combining sheer white curtains with blackout drapes. Lastly, complete the look with thoughtful lighting fixtures, includes LED strip lights on the floating shelves, a wall-mounted art light, and a geometric globe table lamp with a cage base, offering both ambient and accent lighting. Now, step into a space where calm meets intention. This bedroom uses Feng Shui principles to support rest, focus, and emotional balance. With the bed in the command position, backed by a solid wall and surrounded by open space, energy flows freely, creating a sense of calm and control. Earthy tones, natural wood, and lush greenery ground the space, while metal accents and warm lighting add clarity and gentle energy. So, the result is a space that's both soothing and stylish, supporting relaxation while still looking beautifully put together. In this layout, the master's bedroom has a spacious area with enough entry space and large windows. You can divide this kind of space into zones for sleeping, entertainment, work, and a walk-in closet. The door opens directly to a clear walkway facing the bed, offering an open view and a wide path for smooth movement to other areas. Now, let's begin. The master bedroom features a vaulted ceiling, so you add recessed pin lights to keep the lighting clean and subtle. The walls and flooring will remain the same as in the previous bedrooms. Let's now focus on the design, starting with the sleeping zone. You can install a curved wood panel accent wall behind the bed. This adds texture and brings in a clear Scandinavian influence. At the center, place an upholstered platform bed with a low-profile headboard and soft pillows to ensure a comfortable and supportive sleep experience. To add warmth and comfort underfoot, a flat weave area rug is a great choice for this space. On the right side of the bed, include a round pedestal side table and an armless floor lounge chair with pillow, perfect for casual seating, reading, or just unwinding. On the opposite side, place a modern 2-drawer nightstand and a tall cabinet with open display shelves for added storage and visual interest. And of course, the space isn't complete without decor. So hang a framed botanical wall art, add tall indoor plants, and include decorative pieces that suit the overall design. Then, for the windows, you can install floor-to-ceiling sheer curtains to maintain privacy. To enhance the atmosphere of the area, start by adding lighting fixtures. You can incorporate LED strip lights in selected areas for a soft ambient glow. Include a modern ceramic table lamp with a fabric shade, as well as a wall-mounted art light. And most importantly, for the main lighting, go with a double-drum rattan pendant light for a warm, natural touch. Now that the sleeping zone is fully set up, let's move to the entertainment area. For the wall, you can install a curved edge accent wall and add LED strip lighting behind the curve to give it a soft, glowing effect. Next is a wall-mounted media console with a mix of open display shelves and closed storage to keep things tidy. Then, place a flat-screen smart TV at an ideal height for comfortable viewing. Now, for the workspace, you can also add a floating desk with the same finish or material as the media console to keep the design cohesive. Place a few decorative pieces and indoor plants around this zone to give it a finished look. And for additional task lighting, place a cantilevered globe table lamp on the floating desk. Moving on to the walk-in closet. Start by installing a glass-enclosed wardrobe cabinet for an open and elegant display of your wardrobe. Next to it is a full-height mirrored wardrobe cabinet with a wooden closed base and open side shelves. This adds both storage and visual interest. To enhance visibility, integrate LED strip lighting perfect for highlighting clothing and accessories. Now let's use the remaining space for a vanity area. You can add a floating desk that appears visually connected to the wardrobe for a seamless look. Pair it with a round, upholstered vanity stool, which fits the overall design perfectly. Above the desk, mount a round mirror with a slim wooden frame with LED strip lighting for a soft, even glow. Then, beside the vanity, place a tall, vertical storage cabinet, great for keeping personal items, linens, or accessories well organized. And for the final touch, add essential items and simple decor to make the space feel both functional and stylish. Now, this master bedroom blends Feng Shui balance with comfort and style. The bed's in the command position, framed by soft lighting and matching nightstands for a sense of stability. Natural wood, warm tones, and flowing textures bring in all 5 elements, while yin energy sets a restful mood and yang touches add a lively spark, like the lighting and a small entertainment zone. The result? The room encourages both peaceful rest and light, positive energy throughout the day. Now, let's talk about this bathroom, which opens directly into the hallway, making it a shared and easily accessible common toilet and bath. The circulation in this bathroom is direct, safe, and space-efficient, allowing room for the 3 main zones, the bath area, toilet, and vanity. Start with the ceiling. Add pin lights to provide general lighting. For the walls, go with travertine wall tiles. They're easy to clean and perfect for high moisture areas like bathrooms. As for the flooring, use large format porcelain tiles. It's durable, stain resistant, and water resistant. So now for the bath area. On the right side, you can put your built-in rectangular alcove bathtub. Then add a wall-mounted handheld shower with an overhead rain shower head for comfort and flexibility. To keep your essentials organized, mount a vertical shower shelf. This adds storage without taking up floor space. Moving to the toilet zone, a wall-hung toilet is ideal for better hygiene and a cleaner look. Pair it with a bidet spray and tissue holder. Above the toilet, you can install a storage cabinet that combines closed compartments for hidden storage and open shelves for display. In the side space, you can create a small vanity area. A vertical fluted wood slats on the wall visually define this zone. Then, add a floating vanity cabinet with an integrated sink for a clean, modern look. You can also add backlit rectangular mirror above it, will provide clear lighting for grooming tasks. Next, mount a swivel arm towel rack on the wall for easy towel access. And on the floor, place an oval woven bath rug to help absorb moisture and prevent slipping. Now finish the space by bringing in bath essentials and a few decor accents. To highlight key areas, you can install LED strip lighting for a soft, ambient glow. After that, you can install a framed glass sliding partition to provide partial visual privacy. More than just a functional space, this room becomes a sanctuary for cleansing and renewal, guided by Feng Shui principles. The layout is simple and well organized, with fixtures placed along the walls to allow energy to move freely without blockages. It balances all 5 elements: wood, water, earth, metal, and fire through its materials, textures, and lighting. Then, with a mix of soft colors, natural details, and bold touches, the room feels calm yet energizing, perfect for relaxation and self-care. The overall look of the space feels both elegant and peaceful. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. Unlike other 3D artists charging $50 to $150 per room, we offer 3 spaces, 2 revisions, 15 to 20 photo renders, and a walkthrough for just $99. With your approval to feature your request on our YouTube channel, we can provide top-quality service at an affordable rate. You can visit our website at www.designburst24.com or hire us directly on Fiverr via the link below. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.